Okay, we are back, and we just got a sickness. Let's go use some antibiotics. We just got through saving. Got some dregs. Man, I think a hot plate of circuitry on it.
These appear worthless.
And let's go.
Surely we can leave that behind.
Where's the exit? This way. All right, Kiri, please pathfind your ass up this way, and let us get the hell up out of here. Oh, because the grill rack stack that I ate. I'm like, why is my carry weight so high? Kiri? Let's go, girl. Come on.
Hey.
You need something, yes?
There.
I cannot get there.
Yes, you can.
Move out.
Absolutely.
Over there.
Slowly.
At once.
Get into
Slowly.
position.
Absolutely. I can't reach that.
Look alive.
I will attend to
Go.
this.
Nice. I wish we could do that more often. Let's go, Kiri. Now we're up out of here, baby. Now we're cooking with oil. Okay, yeah, we're good. I'm just making sure she's coming. I don't want to have to worry about doing this over again. So now we head back to Desdemona, I think. Or we head back to the doctor chick. Bro, when I heard that minigun spinning up when Glory was taking out those people, I was like, hell yeah, bro. I didn't know it was Glory until, you know, it was too late. Well, I guess on time? I don't know. It was too late makes it sound like that she killed me. Okay, and here's that place full of super mutants. Maybe Caretaker's not in that rock anymore. I fucking doubt it, but it's worth a try. He's not moving. It's like I'm facing the rock to him. Praying to God that I'm not. Oh God, is that the rock? It's directly in front of me. I don't feel like walking even fucking down there. Give it a shot. Yeah, it's the rock. Man, I'm like, for real, that right there is angering. I don't know how important the mission is, but now I have to kind of spoil myself. I hope it's nothing important. I really do. Okay. Kiri, let's go. Alright, there she is. I'm gonna
Sustained considerable damage.
Dude! Whatever, man. It's cool. I got you, girl.
Have you found someone that can help me become human?
I'm sorry.
It's my top priority.
Your efforts are appreciated.
Let's go, Kiri.
Gonna splatter your brain!
Resuming combat operations.
What? Ah, I tried to run, dude. I tried to run. I was out of AP points. It's cool. It's alright. It's cool. Even if we were to kill him, it's best that we don't, man. We can't even pick up a minigun. We couldn't use it even if we wanted to. He'd be good on the experience, but we already leveled up if I'm not mistaken. Yes, we did. Let's go ahead and put some points into agility or maybe even gun nut. Okay, that's 25. Is rank 3. Sandman. As an agent of death itself, you instantly kill a sleeping person. Your silenced weapon do an additional 15 sneak damage. What are you talking about? Why would you give me the ability to do that? You know I gotta do that now. Cut him up. Yeah, cut him up, Vault Boy. Y'all don't see it. Okay, y'all see it. Cut him up. Okay, wrong way. Dude, an additional 15%. That's huge. You know what's not huge? My ammo count. We gotta buy some more bullets. Man, all because I want to go fucking talk to Caretaker. It's cool though. I'm not as pissed off. So as long as it's not the main mission, which I know it isn't, we should be okay. Because I think Pam gave us this mission. Caretaker's given is being the mission giver. And but as much as I would like to help more sense in this game, unfortunately, I have to deal with the fact that I won't be able to, and that's okay. Like I said, it's not going to stop me from being completely pissed off, but it's just like, it's one of those things, as long as it's a side mission and nothing important, then I'm pretty much fine on it. It's not that big of a deal. Oh, let me get some of this vegetable soup real quick. Okay, I thought that would help me just a little bit at least. Now, according to what happened last time, that super mutant can really... Hold on. Oh. What? Kira, you see that?
I may have detected unusual behavior.
There we go. My infection spreads. You got me fucked up. Antibiotics. And that super mutant's somewhere in that camp. I'm not really worried about him, but if I can take him out, I will. A minigun is only good for a certain distance, and I think he killed me over here. I don't have any loud guns on me. That's cool. We don't need to kill him. We've already leveled up. Makes me wonder how high we can get our sneak damage, man, but here's the crazy part. I don't know how that's going to do against a death claw. Like, if we see a... Oh. Okay. I thought that was a Yaguai. We're good. False alarm. False alarm. We're not getting mauled. Not today, at least. Thank God. Alright, let's get back to Desdemona. I think that's what we're doing. Either that or we're getting back to Homegirl and Good Neighbor to let her know. Let's see here, data. Okay, cool. We're good. Yeah, we're gonna head back home. Let's do it. I'm glad our agility.
Have you found someone that can help me become human?
Shuri, now's not the time. That's the bridge we're supposed to take. Ah, my eyes. They're going across this. That's the closest bridge, dude. Oh, tell you what. Let them go ahead and do their little thing. Cause I'm a bastard. Cause I'm a bastard. That's why I'm doing it. Cause I'm a bastard. Huh! Cause we're bastards, that's why. Fury! Get 'em, mosquitoes! You really gonna come up on the flank? Kiri, you're doing great. You're doing God's work, Kiri. Keep doing your thing, girl. You're doing great. Shit. 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 We're okay. We're okay. We're okay. We're okay. Nah, fuck you.
What you got left in you?
Who's next? Come on. Come on. Get up,
How
Carrie.
thoughtful. I feel better now. I believe a has found us. That is the right word, yes?
A big mistake, rookie!
Stop right there.
Shit!
That's right, Curie.
No.
What do you want from me?
Your life. Pocketed painted robot chess piece. What do I got? These guys might be onto something. Chest armor? Let's see what we got. It's definitely worse. Alright.
Hey.
You need something, yes?
You good, girl? Okay. Now that was a fight. Where's the... Bro, I was about to save it. Robo repair kit. I need that. Take that flamer fuel. Okay. Well, that was a fight. That was definitely one for the ages, right? Am I hungry? Am I even hungry? Dehydrated. I'm dehydrated, just dehydrated. Okay. Curie,
Hey.
Are you giving me a present?
do you have any Nuka-Cola though? I'll drink it. There we go. Alright, cool. Bro, I didn't feel like, because they stopped on the... Swarm bot, what the fuck is that?
Did you hear something?
Yeah, I saw swarm bot.
Yahoo?
Take that robo repair kit. Dude, these guys are just... Is that about to explode? Kiri, let's go. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Okay. We're fine. We're good. Hey, is that boat?
The boat. It is on the building. That is the USS Constitution. Mon Dieu.
I wish I knew what Mondu meant.
The boat. It is on the building. That is the USS Constitution. We appear to be under fire.
From what exactly? From dogs?
Quite broken, but dangerous. Combat is quite vigorous exercise.
Dude.
Scanning. Scanning. Accessing pre... Nerds.
Engaging evasive maneuvers. Enemy detected.
Shouldn't be able to see. Why are these robots pushing me while I'm trying to snipe this legendary raider?
Where are you?
Fucker mutated. Please. Watch out. Ah, they're fucking everywhere.
Hostilities is not advised.
That wasn't a kill shot? There's your head. Oh, and I didn't get him.
Boat.
I know the boat, Kiri. I know.
That is the USS Constitution.
Ah, I thought he was still moving. Trying to lead the shot. Trying to lead shots.
Oh no, I have been hit.
No. Got him.
The boat. It is on the building. That is the USS Constitution. Mon Dieu.
Okay, we got him. Staggering full Q. Oh, we don't need this. This can also go. Move. I'll take your 308s, your 45s, and stem packs, please. Alright. Good job, y'all. Good job, team. That one robot kept pushing me, though, bro. Can y'all spell double agent? Yeesh.
Scanning. Scanning. Accessing pre-war records. Record found. 108th Infantry Regiment, 2nd Battalion. Ahoy there. 'Tis Providence, a member of the Congressional Army, is delivered to us in our hour of need.
We're gonna go ahead and hold this off for right now. I gotta get back to Desdemona.
The boat. It is
I
on
know,
the
Kiri. I know, Kiri.
That is the USS Constitution.
She loves that boat. That's on that building.
In there?
Ooh, I'm just gonna go ahead and slip this way. Kiri?
Nothing there now.
Oh!
Don't move!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Don't.
Fuck you. I'm out of bullets. We gotta go this way. Dude, this is like the worst situation to be in. We are out of bullets. Kiri, please no. Kiri, no.
Hey, over here. Move here.
Let's go. Come on.
Here.
At once.
Pathfind, pathfind, pathfind.
Head over there.
I shall make this a priority.
Go there.
Absolutely.
Oh, Kiri, I love you so much. Thank you for listening.
Hey.
I will attend to this. I do not see them anymore.
They're this way, Kiri. They're this way. Come on.
Show your face. Come on. I dare
The
you.
enemy appears to be missing.
Come on, this way, Kiri. Where's she going? Where'd she go? Oh my god, Kiri. Has this not been an episode? Oh, so many emotions. You in here? There she is. Let's go. Jesus. We made it, though. We made it with lots of time to spare. Man, I'm hoping that they repair your companion, bro. I hope she... Oh, boy. Well, I got my wish. She's here. Damn. Okay. I'm back, Desdemona. What's up? I'm surprised I wasn't greeted by Drummer Boy.
Contact Dr. Amari. She'll have more details on the route.
The route's been cleared. H-222 is safe to move.
I know. I already got an earful from Glory about Malden. Operational security is worth the occasional crossed wire. Anyway, Amari reports H-222 made it out safely.
That's good.
Then it all worked out.
The crisis is over for now. Take this. You've earned it.
Okay. Some stealth boys. Nice. What do we do now?
Desdemona.
So you and Glory got assigned the same op. Compartmentalization of intel does have its cost.
What do we do now?
Glad you're with us.
All processes are busy.
Sometimes the story's got it right. You
I
kicked
plan on
ass at
sharing
Malden.
all my medical findings with the entire Commonwealth. Anything you can provide would help greatly.
I do have a few notes here. You're welcome to them.
Oh, thank you. He's nice. I didn't have to save and shoot him again. Okay, we have made it, but we're not done yet. We still have a few things we gotta do.
Never followed here. It's all our asses if you are.
What is it?
Okay, Tinker Tom.
You gotta be careful, man. The Institute is everywhere.
Hi.
The boys have been working on some new toys. You wanna take a look?
Yes.
Let's take a look.
Okay, here's what I got.
A bayoneted triple barrel missile launcher. Oh my god. For what reason do you need triple barrels? Got a flamer here. I used to run that. Okay. Armored bathroom. Hey, dude, I appreciate that, right? If we get it if we can get a clean black suit, it'll be over. Blue suit will be fine. No. Get there. Railroad stealth boy. Okay. Deliverer's sharpshooter grip. Let's put that on.
I wonder what you have made now.
Okay, so it just adds a little bit more range, right? Better recoil and hit-by accuracy.
Some of the people you meet will
Nice.
suit replacements, synth duplicates, so be careful what you say.
Okay, and these are all worse. We got to get the advanced receiver, which is a gun nut level 3, which we won't get until, I think, level 30. Alright, so that's fine. Oh, bro, getting the extendo barrel would be nice. We can actually get that. We need adhesive screws and steel. We can do that. We can get the extendo on this. And extendo would be so good. Superior ammo capacity. Inferior reload speed. We can get all of these together and start putting this together. We can actually do this at our base. We have a weapon workbench at our main house. So I don't have to worry about buying anything. This is really
Would it
good.
kill them to let me know mission specs before
But
the dead drop? Just once?
I hope, like, my biggest fear is the fact that we need to do that mission for Caretaker, and we won't be able to do it because he's stuck in a fucking wall. And so I know our current mission is this one. Oh, the Randolph safe house. I forgot about that. Let's go do that. We already saved it. We're good to go. Oh, we didn't buy any bullets. Let's go buy some bullets. Once we do that, we can actually head out to the Randolph safe house. That'd be great. We need to do that. Let's go.
There's more going on than you know. Trust me.
Yes, Tinker Tom.
Hey,
You need anything?
let's take a look.
Made a new batch of what?
10 millimeter. Oh, we need more than that. We need much more than that.
Up there, assume you're being watched. Always.
I don't think Tinker Tom has junk either. It's cool though. So let's start heading out to that safe house then. I know that safe house is really, really important. Ugh. I wish I knew what that package was, man. I wish Homeboy wasn't stuck in a fucking rock, dude. I'll look it up. I'm sure there's ways to get him out of it. I'm sure. Alright, so we got some traveling to do, so let's get that done. We got some bullets to be able to defend ourselves too, so if the place is below us, that's good, and if it ain't, that's fine. Because if it's below us, we can actually head straight down to... It is... Ooh, we got some traveling to do. All right, we're gonna stop at Good Neighbor to pick up some more supplies for the journey that we have ahead of us, because it's gonna be a journey. Oh, cool. As I take reds? Really? As I take reds? As I take reds. Kiri, can you please handle these? Thank you.
Getting paranoid, there ain't nothing here. What the?
Oh, shit! Let's get it, come on.
I have sustained considerable damage. This is so violent. Fire.
Come on, come on.
You gotta reload sometimes.
Your pulse and vital signs are still with
Woo! And you gotta die sometimes. Death comes for us all, chick. But not for me today. I don't need that pipe wrench. But gunners are people I do not want to fuck with.
Hey.
We are being shot at. Enemy unknown. Oh, there you are.
On him.
I would be delighted to.
Nice shake and bake, Kiri. Keep him guessing. Keep him guessing.
Monsieur, enemies have been dispatched.
Kiri is a fucking bastard. Ah! I know I'm so dehydrated. I know I'm really bad off with water. I have nothing in here. Man, why does this thing have so much health?
Perhaps they are friendly. We appear to have lost the enemy.
What, are they back at that same fucking building I shot them at first? No, this is new. Postal Square. Whoa, hello, Brahmin. This is a whole new area. Where's Good Neighbor? Wait, this is that place that Homeboy wants me to go to, isn't it? Yeah, this is the cache. Okay, that's where Homegirl wants me to go. So I went to the wrong location. I need to go this way. Okay. Well, let's go ahead. We can actually get that cache on our way there too, honestly. So that's gonna be the next move. Go to the cache, secure it, and then head down all the way down. We're going low. So we're gonna need a lot of resources. Honestly, we might have to do a prep video where we go to both this place and Diamond City. And then also straight to our base to pick up some stuff and drop some stuff off. So Good Neighbor's right there, so we have to go this way.